in the channel, huh?
Please.
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 Subscribe to our channel, please.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to another day in the life of a stay-at-home mom vlog. If you're new here, hello and welcome to you. My name is Anissa and that is my little toddler bestie in the back seat, Rylan. Today we have a couple of things going on, you guys. Not too much, but just a regular, smegular, degular type of day. You know what I mean? But anyways, we are on our way to Sephora. We just stopped at McDonald's really quick just to get me an iced coffee. I don't do too much McDonald's. The most I will do is their iced coffee and maybe a breakfast sandwich, but that's about it. I am not a McDonald's type of person. Maybe I was burnt out as a child, I don't know, or just their food is just really unhealthy, I feel like. So yeah, anyways, let me stop my jibber jabbering or rambling, but we are on our way to Sephora. I didn't get to go the other day and I really wanted to test out this concealer by Fenty Beauty, so I am on my way up there to get that right now. It is 11 in the morning. They opened up at 10, but from working in retail in the past when I was a teenager, I didn't like when nobody walked in first thing early in the morning, okay? If I had the morning shift, I did not want anybody to walk in right when it was time for like us to start working or for us to open up the door. So I never want to be that girl, you know what I mean, that will show up right when someone opens the door, unless it's absolutely necessary, it's an emergency, it's something that I absolutely have to get done. But we're on our way to Sephora to pick up that concealer. We are gonna be having a play date with Noah, and while the kids are playing and hanging out and stuff at the house, I'm really gonna go ahead and clean the house up. I know I might not be able to do too much in the living room because that's where their play area is at, that's where they're gonna be, but definitely I am gonna clean my room. I'm gonna wash our bedding and all of that. We might head to Target for something. I don't want to tell you exactly what it is because it's a project that I'm working on, so I can't disclose all of that information just yet. But yeah, you guys, we are going to go ahead and get the day started. If you have not already hit that like button, go ahead and hit that like button, because I mean, sis, why would you wait? Okay. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? You're here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you join a part of our YouTube family that we got going on here. All right, you guys, let's head to Sephora. Let me get started on this iced coffee because my mouth is watering for it. Okay. This way, straight. Okay, you guys, so we ended up making it from Sephora a couple of hours ago. Your girl Rylan played me. She told me she was sleepy. She wanted to lay down for a nap. You gotta come over here if you want to see, baby. Yeah. They can't see you over there. Come here.
I can't. Me too.
What? They really can't see you now. You're all close. Back up.
I see.
See? Okay, they can't see you when you're that close.
I want to see.
Rylan. See?
It was saying
that is not BT Gang. This is not your mommy and daddy's channel.
not mommy, daddy.
No, this is Auntie's channel.
Mommy, daddy.
So as you can see, Noah is here and Rylan is here. He's here for his play date. But anyways, like I was saying, Rylan played me. I thought she was gonna lay down for her nap, and she is up wide awake. She's like, Mommy, I'm sleepy, I want some milk. I got her some milk, laid down in the bed with her, waited for her to fall asleep, and she just didn't. And Noah eventually ended up coming. So this is where we're at now. So they are together destroying mi casa per usual, and yeah, making a mess. So before I clean up, I wanted to show you what I picked up from Sephora, and I also got a package in while we were out today. So I'm gonna show you what that package is and who it's from. Come on, baby.
I didn't know what I want.
Okay, can you eat? And then mommy will help you, I promise, okay?
Look at my phone.
Okay, mommy will.
I'm gonna sit down in the chair.
Okay, sit down in the chair. So I ended up picking up the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Concealer. It's like an under eye illuminator. That's what I wanted. And I got the shade 12 in Almond Butter, which I thought was definitely gonna be too light, but it looked perfect in the store. Of course, I will have to wear it, you know, on my skin. And that's why I didn't put on any makeup on today, you guys, because I wanted to see what it looks like on my natural skin. I always do that when I'm going to test any type of makeup. I don't put any makeup on my face. I always walk in with a clean slate. So I'm trying to show you what it looks like outside of the packaging. This is the tube that it comes in true Rihanna form. The aesthetic is beautiful and like a nude pink. I love it, love it, love it. I will definitely let you guys know how it wears once I put it on. I'll probably put it on tomorrow. I was thinking about putting on some makeup today, but I will probably put it on tomorrow. But yeah, I'm super duper excited to put that on because the way it looked in the store, it looks like it's gonna be pretty bomb, you guys. Only thing is I wanted to grab the Eavesdrop foundation as well, the skin tint. I shouldn't call it a foundation, but the skin tint. And they were out of my shade, and they were out in every single location. So I don't know when it's gonna come back in stock, but I really do wanna try that. I found the perfect shade. So I do want that. But anyways, let's move on to something very, very exciting. Something that we got in the mail today. And you can't see it because the label, I have to cover the label because my address is on it. But we received a package from Kiss, you guys. Whoa, what are you doing?
I just see my phone.
You see it?
Yeah, I get to see my phone.
Okay, can you play with Noah while mommy talks to her friends?
Yeah.
Thank you. We received a package from Kiss, you guys. You know how freaking excited I am about this. I love Kiss, you guys, and I'm not even gonna lie. I've already opened it and took a peek. I was in here and I was like, I have to show you guys what is in here, okay? So, of course, the packaging is just, let me find a good way to hold this so you guys can see it. You wanna see, you wanna see.
I want to see.
Hold on. It says Kiss, bring the salon home, and then their Instagram handle right there. But basically, I'm gonna hold up everything that they sent because I cannot hold up this whole box. But anyway, stop. Wait, baby. Go sit down, please.
Okay.
Thank you. They sent your girl some lashes. Very cute, very natural. You guys know I am not a super dramatic lash person. I like to be very natural when it comes to my lashes, unless I'm doing something like real extra. But they sent over these as well. These are cute. I will rock these on a date night for show. They sent over their new magnetic liner and lashes. That's cool. I want to try that out. I've heard good things. Can you see? There we go. Heard pretty good things about that. I'm going to go through all of like the makeup and lash products first, and then we'll get into the nails because they did send your girl some nails, and you know how I feel about their nails, you guys. They sent over some lash glue liner in clear. We got clear right here. And they sent it in black. They sent over some new Impress nails. These are cute and different from what I'm used to, but definitely still cute. And then they sent over these. What color is this? Meant to Be. These are in the color Meant to Be. These are super cute. As you can tell from my top, I'm like super into little blues right now. I don't know what it is, but these are cute, and I'm probably gonna end up putting these on today because your girl's nails is a little straggly, a little scuffy right now. So I need to put some nails on. I'll probably put those on today just because I'm feeling that type of vibe right now. And then they also sent over these Classy, Keep Calm and Stay Classy, Trendy Shape and Style nails. These are so cute. It's exactly what they're saying they are. Trendy shape and classy. This is my style, you guys. Coffin nails, ombre, simple. This is my jam right here, okay? I love these. They're long. Hey, you guys, gotta share, okay? No fighting, okay? Okay, no fighting, please. Mommy's almost done, okay? These are my jam, though. I am so happy about these. Date night, weekend vibes. Ooh, Labor Day is coming up. I will for sure probably rock these for Labor Day, now that I think about it. I miss my long nails, you guys. I like my short nails, don't get me wrong. I like those for more of like a week vibe, like I'm working on my laptop and my nails look cute, you know. I'm running around with Rylan and just, you know, mom stuff. I like short nails for my everyday, but I like my long nails for when I'm trying to be a little extra, put a little pep in my step, you know, when I'm trying to feel myself a little bit. But yeah, you guys, I'm so excited for that. Now, your girl is about to get into cleaning because I don't know if you saw it back there, but it's a mess. It's a hot mess, okay? Not even just a mess. It's a hot mess back there. So I need to get cleaning this house. And yeah, let's get it going. So I did some filming and stuff after I cleaned up. I did some content filming, some reels and stuff for Instagram. Watch your step, baby. You got it? We are on our way to Yogurtland right now to get some yogurt after dinner. So yeah, we are in the mood for that. I've been telling Rylan that we were going to go get some, so I'm holding up my end of my promise. It's open, JoJo, and we are gonna go get some Yogurtland. Just pulled up to Yogurtland. Ryan says he wants fresh strawberry cheesecake. What do I want? You getting your cup? Okay, there you go. I think, thank you. Ooh. Their chocolate is really good, but do I want cookies and cream s'mores? That's different. I think that's what I'm gonna get. Cookies and cream s'mores and cheesecake. That's what I'm gonna get. That's what you wanted, baby? No, that'll be it for that one. And then what do you want in yours, JoJo?
Can I get gummy bears and peach rings?
Gummy bears and peach rings?
Yes.
Okay, baby, we need this. We gotta pay for it, okay? Yes. Rylan. Mommy has to pay for it, okay? Hey. Yeah, put it up there, baby. Here, can you hold this? Let mommy see. There we go. Really quick, really quick, really quick.
Alright, you want pink or green?
You want pink or green? Which one? Which color? Pink or green?
This one?
Pink. Pink? Thank you. Okay, you guys, so we just made it back home. That is probably going to be it to today's vlog. Right? You like your yogurt? It's good? Yeah? It's yummy? Yep. All right, you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like this video. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What'd you show him, baby? Show him. What'd you show him? Do it again. Show him. What did you do? Thumbs up? Big thumbs up. Yeah, that's right. Say subscribe to our channel. Tell him, baby. We've been working on her doing a little more in the channel, huh?
Please.
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 Subscribe to our channel, please.
Please.
Yeah.
Please.
All right, you guys, hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next one. Say bye.
My honesty daddy.
Okay, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.